Hey, Sketch friends! Let's draw a cute box of French fries. So we're going to make 2 dots. That determines how wide our box of fries is going to be. And this is the shape that we're looking at here. It's very similar to a square. I'm going to round the corners of my square though. So you see on the bottom right hand corner, I'm curving a line to the right. And then on this side, let's curve a line to the left. This is called a vertical line for the right side of our box of French fries. And then we have another vertical line for the left-hand side. Well, I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. Having fun drawing this cool box of French fries. This is a line that curves down. So you can see how we could start off with the basic shape like a square, and we could change the outline of it. So we curve the bottom corners, and we also curve the top line of that square. So we're going to draw these kawaii style eyes. That is Japanese for cute. So in Japan they have their own cartoons and comics called manga and anime. And those white dots are like highlights inside of the eye. Let's draw another one. Nice big circles. So when you're doing these drawings, you got to pay attention to the size of the shapes too, in relationship to each other. So how big are the eyes in comparison to the box of French fries? And we're going to give him a little smiley face. And I do have the 3D draw version on my other site, Sketch Lab for Kids. Alright, we're going to draw some French fries. Whoa, what's going on? It's a dance party! Yeah! Let's go. So we drew a rectangle, 1. So in art, sometimes we use repetition. Let's see how many French fries we're going to fit in this box here. We have now, 2 French fries. Those ketchup bottles make the loud noise. That splatter. Oh, now we have our 3rd French fry. This French fry has some awesome dance moves. Oh. We've got 4 French fries. Oh. What's this, guys? Yep. Got 5. I think we could fit one more in there. It's a party, guys. Dance party. Woohoo! Well, guess what? You see, there's a peekaboo line. You see these cats? Peekaboo. Look at these peekaboo lines. You see that line that curves up? Yeah, we gotta add the peekaboo line for the top part of the French fries. And this is called overlapping. The French fries are in front of it. Woohoo! Good job, guys. Well, we'll catch you in the next video.